Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Cadillac certified 2015 Cadillac SRX Performance Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z7203XX. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black Raven in color. To be Cadillac certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. This SRX has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, as well as rear parking sensors. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Removable privacy cover, as well as additional underfloor storage. And not only low miles, but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This performance collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control, power driver's seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof, large, easy to read, customizable gauges. And that is, of course, where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio app. Navigation. Dual zone temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all overhead. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power liftgate, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that Cadillac certification protecting your investment. For more information on this SRX, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.